Back, everyone. Maybe in a situation where your flashlight on your iPhone for some reason is just not working. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The very first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure you're enabling your flashlight properly. So, what we can do is we can make our way over down to our control center right here, and we can go ahead and click on the flashlight toggle. Now, if we click on it and you automatically see the light open randomly now, well, that may mean you weren't clicking on the button properly, or maybe you didn't know how to turn on your flashlight. But if you're clicking the button and the flashlight's still not turning on, well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is holding down on the flashlight right here and seeing if you have this little pop-up that comes up. A majority of the time you will have this pop-up come up. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and toggle these specific buttons up and down. So you can drag these buttons up and down and it'll go ahead and vary out the specific flashlight light as higher and as lower as possible. So if you're in the middle of nowhere and if your light is, really bright anyway, and you want to go ahead and increase it even more, well, maybe it's turning on, but maybe it's just so bright where you are that you can't even see it. So by going through and actually decreasing or enabling the flashlight just like this, it may actually just switch your flashlight on, and that's another thing you can do as well. Now, if that's still not working, what I would recommend doing is turning on your phone and turning it off. So go ahead and restart it as normally. Hold down the buttons to restart your phone, slide the power off, go ahead and turn it back on, and you want to go ahead and see if it's actually working then. Now, a majority of the time, the things that I just told you will probably end up fixing it. But if it still doesn't fix it, you may have a hardware problem. But before we get too deep into that, what I would recommend doing is trying to see if there's an update available for your phone. So make your way over to your iPhone settings just like this. You want to scroll down until you see General. You want to click Software Update, and all you want to do is update your phone on the latest version of software that's available. If you're on a very outdated version of iOS, sometimes that could have had some issues with it too. That's another thing you can do. If it's still not working, this may be a flashlight issue on your phone, and you may actually have to go and get it fixed by Apple. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.